Curious about how to navigate a cruise ship? Let me tell you.
Unless you're in the Navy, getting around a cruise ship can be complicated, even if you're a seasoned cruiser. It's super easy to get lost, especially if you bought the drink package. Most cruise ships have maps on every floor, which is helpful, but here are some handy tips to remember. First, let's talk about the parts of the ship. In the very front, you have the bow. So when you're walking from the back of the ship to the front of the ship, this is what we call forward. That one's easy. Think about the F. Going forward means we're going to the front of the ship. The stern is located at the back end of the ship, opposite from the bow. So when you head toward the stern, that's what we call going aft. Now, the way I remember this is I think about it as the ass of the ship. The starboard side of a ship refers to the right side of the ship when you're facing the bow. The port side of the ship refers to the left side of the vessel when you're facing forward towards the bow. There's not really an easy trick to remember this one, but what I try to do is remember that port is 4 letters and left is 4 letters, and that's how I keep track of that one. When picking a room, though, don't always just pick the port side, thinking that if you have an ocean view or a balcony that you're going to see the port, because a ship can dock on either the port or the starboard side.